Siguro most of you are not really into an environment na talagang nagsasalita ng English. As for me, I would say I have been doing this for quite some time now. 15 years, right? Pero kahit nga 15 years, believe me guys, when it's my rest day, Saturday and Sunday, the next day, barok ang English ko pagdating sa office. It happens. It happens. You are exerting too much tension dito sa part na to. Dito sa jaw. Yeah. Now, that makes you sound hindi natural. That's the first thing that I noticed, especially in me. Okay? So let's start working on it and try. And you have the tendency to speak very fast. So easy lang, okay? We have to review the subject-verb agreement here, okay? Kung naaalala nyo pa yung subject-verb agreement, singular subject, singular. I don't care about the accent first. Right now, I don't care about that. Accent, hindi naman siya magical na the next day, ando na, okay? But we will try to somehow neutralize. You can write that in English. You can say that in English. Okay? If you can write it, then you can say it. Maniwala ka sa akin. We've had students like you. I think we'll need to work on some of the vowel sounds, particularly on the long E. Okay? Long E and short E. We'll work on that. Verb tenses, no problem, no argue. Wala tayong pag-uusapan doon. Okay? Subject-verb agreement, I don't see anything wrong. Okay? There might be some lapses, but very minimal. There's one thing that I really noticed, yung tono natin. Okay? Yes, we speak in English. Okay? We speak in English, but we sound Tagalog. Right? So that is something that we have to work on. Okay? Let's work on that. Let's work on that. I would understand. Kasi ganun tayo eh, right? Ganun tayo. Especially pag yung circle of friends natin, eh hindi naman talaga nagsasalita ng English ng tama. When I say tama, tama yung tono, tama yung accent, tama yung bato. Okay? Writing, walang problema. You have everything doon sa sinulat mo. Everything that you want to say, walang problema. So I guess, medyo magtatrabaho tayo sa mga impromptu. Like, got a question? You need to answer it. What's your opinion right now? No time to write. Yun ang kailangan natin trabaho. Okay? Verb tense. When I became, when I become, I take theology. I took theology. Vowels. Mom is different from mom. Okay? That's fine. Still practicing. Okay, we'll work on verb tense. Huwag kang kakabahan, okay? We are all friends here, right guys? Siguro most of you are not really into an environment na talagang nagsasalita ng English. As for me, I would say I have been doing this for quite some time now. 15 years, right? Pero kahit nga 15 years, believe me guys, when it's my rest day, Saturday and Sunday, the next day, barok ang English ko pagdating sa office. It happens. Everyone knows how to ask questions, right? Wala naman siguro hindi marunong magtanong magtanong. Tama ba ako? Everybody knows how to ask questions? Okay. And especially in English, wala naman yata tayong problema doon. There was a student who asked me, there is a payment. That's what the sentence was. There is a payment and then there's a question mark. How do we fix that? Okay, is there a payment? And then you laugh. Because you're not sure. Okay. Why am I doing this one? Why am I presenting you this question and answer part when you guys know exactly how to ask according to you, right? According to you. However, with your answers, you guys are not sure. You guys are not sure. So what I wanted to happen is from this point onwards, I want you guys to ask questions properly. And I want you to understand how questioning works. Halika sa amin. Dito ka lang sa amin. Ha? Dito ka muna sa amin. Okay. Guys, it's called open-ended question and close-ended question. If I ask you, where do you live? Is that an open-ended question or a close-ended question? If I ask you, are you happy? What type of question is that? Open-ended question or close-ended question? Okay, guys, sige. Siguro nakalimutan nyo lang. Okay? Siguro nakalimutan nyo lang. But when we say open-ended question, it's a question that requires information. An answer that requires more information. I ask you, where do you live? Anong ipinoprovide mo? You provide your address. You provide information. Is she happy? Regardless whether yes or no, pagkatapos nun, wala na akong ibang makukuha pang sagot. Close-ended questions are questions that can be easily answered by yes or no. Yes, I am. No, I don't. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Tapos, wala ka nang ini-expect pang ibang sagot. Pag open-ended question, marami kang inaantay na information based on sa tanong. Whatever the question is, ang goal mo is to get more information.